AUX install for Honda Accord 2005 model. This is a manual or standard, but it should be pretty much the same even if you have an automatic. And all you need is some AUX adapter. I just bought this kind of thing. It might be different, might be more expensive. I went with the cheap model. We'll see if this is gonna work. First thing first, you have to remove this panel here. So all you need for this operation is basically a Phillips screwdriver and at least one, maybe more, these plastic tools for your door trim panels. So all you have to do is to pry this panel from the bottom. I start in the middle, and then if you can push it to the side, and it pops out. And go around, just slide it away a little bit, engage the parking brake, then I shift it to the 4th gear. That will expose those two screws, one here, over here. So there are no bolts in here. You have to remove this tray, start on the right side, pry it against, and remove this tray. And then you have access to these two bolts. Once removed, you can pull on this tray assembly here and set it aside, and then you have access to another two bolts, right and left side. Once removed, this whole center console, it's free to go. What you want to do is to use your trim tool, pry on it, and the whole thing comes off. So what is interesting for us is that white connector on the bottom of the radio. So this adapter comes with the user manual, blah blah blah, and the adapter itself, I bought a version with the lightning cable because I am an iPhone user, unfortunately, and the 3.5mm audio jack. We're gonna hook up this connector to the radio right here. You can hear that click. It's plugged in. Before I put everything back together, we're gonna double check if this thing actually works. WT-AUX car AUX adapter. And let's see what happens. There is no charging on the display. This lightning cable is hooked up. I'm gonna turn my keys on. My radio is on. Yeah, it charges. It's charging actually. So the lightning cable works. Then I will use 3.5mm jack. Not all iPhones, those new ones, they don't have a 3.5 connectivity. I will make another video how to hook up a Bluetooth adapter to this connector. But since I have iPhone 6s, I do have this connector here. So let's hook it up. I have my audio cable hooked up to my phone. Let's turn the radio on, press CDC AUX and press play. It looks like it works. There is no CD. I have to turn the volume down because otherwise YouTube would delete my video here. I'm a Duran fan anyway, and it works. Voila! So cheap adapter for a couple dollars. I believe it was like $25 or $30. You have your AUX capability, and it works through this CD AUX button. On your installation, you might hide this 3.5mm jack somewhere in the hidden area. Let's say here, drilling a little hole on the back, or you can use another accessory for these AUX systems, which comes with 3.5 female connector or 3.5 female plus USB. It might end up somewhere on your dash, depends what you like. From this point on, you can actually close everything back together and use just the 3.5mm audio jack to play your music. And you cannot receive the phone call. If you want to receive a phone call, just watch the video with the link here, how I installed the Bluetooth adapter. and you can receive the phone call, you can redial, you can play the music, you can actually skip the song or go to previous song, you can mute the playback. In my installation, I will leave it here. This is just about the AUX install to make this opening for the wires. So it's on the top left side. So when you open this tray, like nobody can see it, even if you remove the adapter. The hole is on the top left corner. It's hard to see. And putting everything together is pretty much simple process. It's vice versa of the removal. So now just press it in there. You can hear the click. Then don't forget, one bolt on the right side, second on the left side. Just a quick note how I ran the cable. And the cable itself is actually hidden behind that steel bracket. So now you see when I open this lid, that connector right there on the top, and when I move the lid back and forth, it's not touching those wires. So that's why I ran it behind that steel bracket right there. Perfect. Next step is this ashtray. It's not an ashtray, but I call it ashtray assembly. So just press it in there. Don't forget, there's one bolt right there, second over there. Once you install those two bolts, you see these two holes here. Those two clips, they go just right in, and just press it in there. And the very last two screws, this is the one, this is the second. One thing has to be done here, put this plastic cover back in place. And the best thing about this combo is that you can charge your phone, it's charging, and you can play your music. All she wants is good music. Don't forget to turn the volume up on your iPhone, otherwise you won't get any sound from the music here. But I can tell you, it's working like a breeze. See you later.